So thank you very much, Betty. I am really, really pleased to be here tonight, and especially to be able to present this award to Dr. Dekkers, who is the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Bayer, and also to the Global Healthcare and Agriculture High-Tech Polymer Materials Company. Everyone at Bayer here in the United States and the roughly 196 countries around the world where Bayer operates. It really is my pleasure to be able to do this. I need to tell you that when I left NASA, because I did come back from space, okay, so whatever your fantasies are, I did come back. When I left NASA in 1993, one of the first things I did was to start a program called The Earth We Share, which was an international science camp for students 12 to 16 years of age. And I did that because STEM education is so important to us. It's about science literacy. And the program used hands-on experiential learning. The following year, I was invited by Bayer to lead its newly formed Making Science Make Sense program, which, just like The Earth We Share, had at its very heart the fact that we needed to educate all students in science literacy and that we would get the professional scientist out after that. But it was based on the same ethos, hands-on, hearts-on, minds-on science. And I had no idea it was going to be 20 years, right, when I started it. But I did know that Bayer was setting a very important record of work, that it was starting to do something that was very important for a corporation to do. Because, you know, they were into STEM before STEM became fashionable, right? And so nowadays, everybody says they do STEM, and I just want to let you know that I witnessed Bayer has been doing STEM and doing it well for many, many years, whether it's starting a science education pilot program in 2 Pittsburgh public school districts, that now has grown to become the official elementary and middle school science curriculum in the state of Pennsylvania, which, by the way, improved reading and science scores, are providing STEM scholarships and internships to students who have traditionally been underrepresented, giving them support and access, are creating programs like my personal favorite, Biotech Partners, which looks at at-risk students, those students who are going to go into high school and not graduate, who then come out to be biotechnicians, certified when they come out. Those things are really important. Bayer has consistently been there, not just talking the talk, and not just walking the walk, but supporting other people to do the walk as well. It's been a very solid partner in STEM and also in corporate social responsibility. And I just want to make 1 second comment. Corporate social responsibility is about not just looking after the shareholders, but looking after all the stakeholders for a company. The stakeholders include the community that the company works in. It includes its employees. It includes the nations. It includes the world. How do we do better for humanity around the world? And Bayer has done a lot of work around the world to support health and human services, education, workforce development, and sustainability. I think that Bayer really, in many ways, is the epitome of a global company that thinks, cares, and acts locally. And for all these reasons, I am so very honored to present the Foreign Policy Association's 2014 Corporate Social Responsibility Award to Dr. Marijn Dekkers and Bayer Corporation.